Grandma's kitchen. I wonder if her hands ached when she tied her apron today. The grandma bending over the sink at the back of this riverside eatery appears tiny compared to the long counters we see as we first enter. There she is in the back, beyond the ordering counter, in front of a large window, so she can see the flow of the Shimantogawa River as she washes dishes or carefully cuts the daikon radish. Another grandma comes through the back door, calling out, "Dekita yo!" as she takes the cheesecloth off the top of her tray to reveal freshly fried vegetable tempura. My stomach growls in delight, so ready to try her dish. The lady at the sink turns. "Irashaimase," she calls out warmly as she slowly straightens her back and smiles with total ease. I think we can all imagine the expression of someone we know, possibly older, who has found peace with their life and know how they have lived. I have seen this type of happiness in experienced nurses and doctors, in artisans and other creators, those who serve others or who work with their hands in a successful greenhouse. People at peace with how they contribute to the world. People who are blessed to do what they know is their calling. This little grandma and all her friends had the confident look of a life lived fully. Not an easy life, but one where meaning is felt. She was not lost or empty. She was full of happiness in her community, in her calling, and with this day. I could taste that joy in her food. I saw her bent fingers and worried for a moment about how she might feel pain when slicing vegetables or tying the apron or headkerchief. But worry melted when I realized a calling can erase much drudgery. We enjoyed many different types of Kochi vegetables and local soul food at those counters that day. Outdoor tables for hot summer days, with bees buzzing and geckos jumping in the underbrush. Indoor tables, cafeteria style, where grandma will insist you try her cake of the day, free of charge. I envied the workers at the tiny village post office next door, as well as the mikan orange farmers up the hill. They could come here every day. But it won't be long before I am back, and I pray that Grandma is still living fully today as she laughs with her friends and listens to the sounds of the nearby Shimanto River.